Yusuf Raza Gilani sworn in as the new Prime Minister of Pakistan. Pakistan President Pervez Musharraf swore in the new Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani on March 25th, a day after Parliament elected the top official from the Pakistan People's Party. In an apparent snub to the increasingly isolated Musharraf, PPP's co-chairman Asif Ali Zardari and his son Bilawal Bhutto Zardari declined to attend the ceremony at the presidency. Gilani, a Bhutto loyalist, was elected Prime Minister on March 24th.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I,
Sayyid Yusuf Raza Gilani,
do solemnly swear that I am a Muslim and believe in the unity and oneness of Almighty Allah.
do solemnly swear that I am a Muslim and believe in the unity and oneness of Almighty Allah. I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan.
That as Prime Minister of Pakistan,
That as Prime Minister of Pakistan,
I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly to the best of my ability, faithfully.
I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly to the best of my ability, faithfully.
Or shall become known to me as the Prime Minister,
Or shall become known to me as Prime Minister,
except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Prime Minister.
except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as the Prime Minister.
Musharraf and Gilani shook hands at the end of the ceremony. Former Prime Minister and PMLN leader Nawaz Sharif was also invited to the swearing-in, but he too declined to attend. However, analysts believe that Gilani could be the answer for democratic transition in Pakistan.
Mr. Gilani has become the Prime Minister at a time when the former opposition parties who were at loggerheads have joined hands together to change the social contract of Pakistan and also to possibly make way for a democratic transition in Pakistan after a long military rule.
Rahman expressed hope that Pakistan's policies towards the United States' war on terror might also be reviewed by the new Prime Minister. Meanwhile, people expressed their happiness on Gilani's orders for the release of judges whom Musharraf had detained in November last year.
Prime Minister ने सबसे पहले जो जजेस की रहाई का हुक्म दिया, मैं समझता हूँ कि ये एक तारीखी फैसला था जिसे पूरी कौम ने सराहा है और हम समझते हैं कि ये मुकम्मल जमहूरी अमल की तरफ एक पहला कदम है.
Gilani has extended an olive branch to the opposition, saying they would be respected, but his order for the release of the judges, though expected, has set a tone of confrontation with Musharraf. Pankaj Sharma with Ritika for ANI.